Imagine running your business while 80% of your repetitive tasks are handled automatically. No more endless emails, no more spreadsheets at midnight, no more chaos in your workflow. That's the power of AI automation in 2025. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to automate your business using AI, from identifying the right tasks, to choosing the best tools, and building a system that saves you hours every single day. So if you want to take your business from chaos to clarity, stay with me until the end, because this could be the most productive 10 minutes you invest today. Before we dive into the steps, let's answer the big question. Why should you care about automating your business with AI? Right now, most entrepreneurs and small business owners spend over 50% of their time on admin tasks, things like emails, data entry, scheduling, and reporting. That's time you're not spending on strategy, growth, or building relationships with customers. And here's the truth. Businesses that don't leverage automation in 2025 will fall behind. Not because they aren't smart, but because they're simply wasting hours on tasks that AI can handle in seconds. The first step is simple. Figure out where your time is going. Take 1 week and track everything you do. Every email, every meeting, every admin task. What you'll notice is that 60 to 70% of your time is spent on repeatable, low-value activities. Those are your automation opportunities. Examples: scheduling meetings, posting on social media, sending invoices, following up with leads, or generating weekly reports. If you don't know where to start, ask yourself, what do I do repeatedly that doesn't require creative thinking? That's where AI shines. Once you've identified the tasks, it's time to bring in the right tools. Here are some categories you should focus on. Communication. Tools like ChatGPT, Intercom AI, or Air.ai can manage customer support. Marketing. Jasper, Copy.ai, or Canva AI can generate posts, emails, and graphics. Operations. Zapier AI or Make.com connects apps so they talk to each other without manual work. Finance. QuickBooks AI or Xero can automate bookkeeping, invoicing, and reporting. Don't overwhelm yourself with 20 different apps. Start with 2 or 3 that cover your biggest pain points. Now comes the exciting part, linking your tools together so they actually work for you. Let's say a new lead signs up on your website. Instead of you manually following up, AI qualifies the lead. Your CRM updates automatically. A personalized email is sent. You get notified on Slack, all without you lifting a finger. Think of AI automation as building a team of digital employees who never sleep, never complain, and always get it right. Automation is not a one-and-done setup. You need to test your workflows, measure how much time you're saving, and tweak things as you go. For example, your AI-generated emails might be too robotic at first. That's fine. Adjust the prompts, add a human touch, and test again. The goal is continuous improvement. Every week, your system should get smoother and more effective. Once you've nailed automation in one area, like customer support, don't stop there. Expand it across your entire business. Automate your onboarding process. Automate your content creation calendar. Automate financial reporting. Step by step, you'll build a fully automated business engine, where humans focus on creativity and relationships, and AI handles the busy work. Now here's what most people miss. Automation isn't just about saving time. It reduces burnout. Your team stops drowning in repetitive tasks. It improves accuracy. No more human errors in spreadsheets or missed emails. It makes your business scalable. You can grow without hiring 10 more people. And most importantly, it frees up your creativity. When your brain isn't clogged with admin work, you actually have the energy to innovate, strategize, and build new opportunities. Before we wrap up, let's talk about mistakes to avoid when starting automation, trying to automate everything at once. Start small and build momentum. Choosing the wrong tools. Don't follow hype. Pick tools that fit your exact needs. Forgetting the human element. Automation should support humans, not replace the personal touch in business. Get these wrong, and you'll waste time and money. Get them right, and your business transforms. So here's the big takeaway: automation is no longer optional. Businesses that adopt AI automation